So guys, we just installed my 2-in-1 dual lens dash cam. It was so easy to install. We used the electroplastic film on the windshield and then mounted the camera directly there. So it was a super easy setup. And we just plugged in our USB cable and ran it down here to our power with the cigarette lighter. And you can see I have my street view and I have an entire view of my minivan, which is great to keep an eye on those kids when we're driving, and as well as for taxi and TLC drivers. It comes with a 32 gigabyte SanDisk memory card, which is super nice because that's a great company with great quality. Super easy setup, super install, 1080 pixels, so it has a great quality, and so we'll have a great footage of all of our stuff. It's a great way to keep yourself safe as a frequent driver. As you can see, the camera functions well in low lighting. It's 1080 pixels on a 3-inch screen. Everything is touch screen. You're able to switch the mode and the settings to be the exterior view, street view, and the interior car view, or both, which is what I have set up here. It's great for frequent drivers as well as TLC and taxi drivers. Some additional features are motion detection, GPS coordinates, acceleration tracking, as well as a G sensor, so God forbid you were to be in an accident, it'll pick up on that impact and automatically lock your file and keep it safe for archive purposes. As a safety precaution, I highly recommend having a dash cam, especially one that functions well like this at night.